down his hose because he had a bunch of water running through it. Just about the end of the long rows here. This will be my last one. Cart driver's heading back to the Wangans to dump. We've already just about passed up all the haulers. They can't even keep up anymore. Dragline crew's working at it, just getting started here. Tag teaming. Well, I'm empty. I'll go start combine. He'll finish unloading, top off the wagon, and he'll come and meet me. Gotta make sure our pipes don't touch now. It's now Friday here. We're out starting on shelling corn out at our East Farms. Just got the end rows done on the big part of this field. It's a 95 acre piece or so. There's 35 in the back and 60 acres here on the big part. We got 2 wagons full, heading home to get the dryer started for the day. He's got enough to fill the second 2 wagons. And I gotta dump one more time on him, even to make it back down to the other end. Filling up quickly. And he's pretty close to being full already. Backside. And there's 1,000 bushels. Just enough to make that tractor work. Sure glad we don't have that old 4630 on there anymore. Oh, come on. Someplace I got off my row. Double dumping. Well, we've been going now for about 2 hours, and we got all 6 wagons full and backed up. Got the 1,000 bushel cart full, and I'm getting full. But I know we'll be sitting a lot, so I'm working on some short rows here. Just that I'm sitting full and the cart's sitting full, and we can both dump on the wagon train, and then you can turn and burn and head back home. We got 2 4-wheel drives on the road with wagons, and then my grandpa's sitting by the bins unloading. So they'll stay, when they come out to the field with 2 empty wagons, they'll stay hooked up. We'll dump onto them right away, and we'll have them out of the field in 2-3 minutes. Then he's got to head back home 5-6 miles to the dryer, and then they'll unhook them there, and my grandpa will unload them, Then when they unhook, my grandpa's got 2 empty wagons sitting there empty. They'll take those 2 back here. And my dad and brother with the wagons will just keep going back and forth. So we got the 60 acres here and then 35 across the waterway. Try and work on this today, get all the long rows done. Tomorrow we'll probably open this up and try and knock this out. So Monday, if I don't have a grain cart, I can piddle around these short rows. I got my auto steer fixed, so that I'm really liking that. Ended up being the main wiring harness that runs all the way into the auger. Had some pinched wires in it, so they ran some new wires from the single point all the way just to my right side row feeler. Now we got 2 wagons already sitting at the end of the field, so he'll start dumping the 1,000 bushels he's got. By that time I should get 200, 250 enough to top the 2 wagons off, and then they'll be turning and burning and heading back for home. Another wagon train leaving the field. Working on the last pass here on my south break through the field, all the long rows. And my cart driver's back there, he's plumb full. And I am getting very close to being full, and I am running downhill. I might just end up with cab corn. But when it's good corn, it keeps it coming fast. We'll be sitting waiting for wagons now. Perfect timing. We are full. We'll shut her down and wait for the wagons to get out here. Well, it's about 11:15 here. This should be the end of the first night here out east. We got just shy of 15,000 bushels done today, the 1 p.m. start time. The wet bin's full. We're going to have 6 wagons sitting full. We'll end up with the combine and grain cart sitting empty. Hopefully we finish this field up tomorrow, and then we can move to a quarter of a mile down the road, get the end rows knocked off, and then move back home and finish up 20-30 acres left on a piece we started yesterday. Well, that's the end of this for today. Dad's got 2 full wagons heading home. Brother and I are heading along the Grove to park these for the night. Heading home. First thing in the morning, we'll empty all the wagons into the wet bin to keep the dryer running tomorrow afternoon when we first get started here.